Today we're going to be diving into the AUVON TENS massager. This is the ones that have pads that you put on your skin and they give you the electro massage. So they help when you have sore muscles, sore back, stuff like that. This box came wrapped in plastic. It also had a safety seal on the outside, and it says if this seal is broken, contact support. They say extend your warranty by registering your device, and it will give you 36 months of free coverage. They have a buy one, get one free surprise inside if you contact them at the email. Customer service card that on the back, it says, if you have any questions, contact us at our email. We have the device itself inside the package. AUVON. USB charger on the bottom. Controls on the front, plus and minus. Memory. Inside the box, we have a velveteen-like carrying bag with the AUVON logo on the top. Pull ties. There's also a holder of some sort. I think this is for the pads so that they don't stick and lose the stickiness. This is probably helpful for a lot of people who have these, because I know we had TENS in the past and the pads diminished really quickly. It has two different sizes of pads inside, the small ones and the large ones. The large ones are about 3.5 to 4 inches long, and these, the small ones, are about 2.5 inches long, square and rectangle. Comes with the connector wires to connect to your TENS machine. We have a plug-in adapter that is a USB 2-prong, and the charging prong is a micro USB. Comes with a manual. It's 25 pages long. It's all in English. Has the basic instructions here. The device actually comes fully charged, which is pretty impressive. Most of the time when you get electronics, they're either halfway or almost completely dead. You have your labeled prongs on the top, A1, A2, B1, and B2. So you're going to have the tops and the bottoms. And so you're going to know which ones they are when you plug them in. Each plug has one plug for the machine and 2 plugs, one for each TENS pad. Plug it in the end of the machine like so, and then we're going to plug them into our pads. The TENS pads come sealed so that you know that they have not been tampered with on any other person's skin before you use them. They come on adhesive pads so that you see that they are really sticky when they come. They have thin leads that connect to the pad, right into the pad. And we just take the connections. We slide it right in. So this makes it really easy if you ever need to get replacements. You just undo the connection here and pop on the new one.